Hey guys, it's me Julia and I will be going over Hey guys, it's me Julia and in this video I will be going over questions 9 and 10 of the SAT math non-calc section. So you shouldn't have your calculator with you. So let's just dive right into it. So in question 9, you will find two equations and luckily we have the question stem of system of equations. So we know what we're dealing with right here. These are the two equations I'm talking about. So when you're faced with a system of equations, you'll need to solve for x and y. And it is good to solve for example, y first, or whichever your preference, but in the real SAT, you won't have that much time. So you will need to be strategic with how you approach this problem. If you look over to the multiple choices, you will see -6s for both C and D, and these are both Y values. So even if you solve for Y, you'll need to eventually solve for X, which is very time consuming. So we are going to solve for X instead of Y. How would we do that? We will eliminate the terms or eliminate the variables. Okay, so this is just the top equation. And if you look at this closely, you'll see how the X and Y is switched. So you'll need to align them vertically in order to eliminate. So let's just switch that right here. Sorry for my clock. And we would also need to, since we're eliminating it, we need to vertically align the coefficients as well. So we're going to times that whole equation by 2. And that would be 2x plus 4y equals 38. All right. And then we will end up with two equations and we could just eliminate. And we are going to subtract this bottom equation by the very top equation. And right. And that would be 5x minus, well, it will be 0 because it's eliminated. And that would be 15. All right. And then we can solve for x, and that will be x equals 3. Now we can go straight to the answer B because we solved for x. Now, what would happen if we solved for y? Well, you would eventually get to B if you do the calculations correctly, but it will take so much time. So we would want to be strategic about this. So yeah, so that is how we solve for